Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. So for this, first of all, you have to open up the Facebook on your browser and then you will see on the left side this pages option. So just tap on this pages option and now you will see your already pages here, and then you want to create a new page. So just tap on this create new page. This window will be pop up for you, and the first option page name. So you have to give your page name, and after this you have to enter the category like on what niche you are creating your page. So I'm selecting here education, and then the third option is bio. So you have to enter your bio about your page, like what will you do on your page. So I'm just going for random, and then you can see these options, and then you just have to tap on this create page. And now after this you can see these options. You have to enter your website here, and then you have to enter your phone number, after this your email address, and then you have to enter your location, your town and city, and the postcode of your city. You can select your hours of availability like always open or not available or open some selected hours. After selecting this, just tap on this next, and now you can add your profile picture here. You can add your cover photo, then tap on this next again. Now you have to enter your WhatsApp number. It will be helping the pupil to connect you, and then tap on this next again. Now you have to invite your friends. If you want, you can invite this. I'm just going for next, and now you can see that our business Facebook page has been created. So you can go for this professional dashboard, you can go for this settings to set up your page. So that's it for this video. That's how you can create Facebook business page. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.